Hey, morning, 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 gang. Happy Wednesday, 9:28. Just sitting down to the old computer to digest this market here. And man, it seems like the second I left yesterday, the market just absolutely skyrocketed. Where the hell was that?
Oh man,
Da, da,
I
da, da,
missed a lot of
da.
that too.
Did you?
Yeah,
Where the heck is it? 331. Oh God! So what was that even about? Was that like a Trump tweet or something?
I don't know. I don't really remember now. I can't remember. Yeah, it was something that Iran wanted to do something.
Jeez, man. I mean, look at this pump on the one
It was
minute.
like
So
200
basically,
points or something.
yeah, started at 1237. It was at 563. Went from 563 to 857. Yeah, 200 points, man. That is bananas.
I walked in on the end of it. I was like, oh my gosh. So I got logged in, got set up, got live, watched it run the rest of the way up, took a short for like 60 points.
Yep. I was gonna say once that move happened, I mean it consolidated and stuff, and then it really just chopped around that range for the rest of the day. It looks like.
Yeah.
Now we've just barely kind of poked our head above that. Well, we poked our head above that range, and we got a little bit of momentum.
Hi! Dada, I'm on the screen.
You are on the screen. Look at you. All right, here's our 9:30 candle. What is today gonna bring? Insanely enough, I'm gonna try to do NQ today, and we'll see how the heck it goes.
Living large.
Living large. Hey, morning, Miguel. How are we doing today, sir?
Me too.
Hashtag Apex is still on sale.
Yeah, so we're YOLOing. YOLOing. Apex YOLO. That's what it's called when Apex is 90% off. You just do the Apex YOLOs. So, let me see. On our 1 hour, what kind of supports do we have on the 1 hour? Man, we did have a 1 hour candle with no wick down here at 23,761. That would bring us down another 250. But it seems like after yesterday, we do have some good momentum to the upside. Hey, don't play with my phone, please. Royce.
And I want to see if there's a wildcat toy.
Another random pop here at 8.4 to bring it up to 248. And then we crashed down to 73. So we're getting these random 200 point friggin' candles, bud. Rory, I can't do it right now, please. Come on. Let me concentrate for a couple minutes, please. Hmm. 9:32 almost. Still just kind of getting a little wicky. Not really any market direction yet. We came down, we retested just kind of this little section right here at 9 o'clock. Our 9 o'clock low.
Dad?
Yes, buddy.
What does
Which would be a phenomenal bounce point. I mean, we kind of almost should have jumped on that.
What does wiki mean?
Yeah, I mean, that was a nice one.
Dad?
Remember our contract size now, though, too.
Yep. Hey, what's up, driving obsession? What's up, swimmers? We got the outlaws, and then we got the swimmers. The outlaws. Admittedly, the outlaws sound a lot cooler, but I don't know if I like my little school of swimmers. Hey, good morning,
Oh,
Jones. How we doing, bud?
We'll take it, though. We'll take it.
Yes, Rory. What's up, Bubba?
What does wiki mean?
Wiki. There's wicks on candles.
Oh.
So wiki just means that the candle wicks are getting a lot longer than the candle bodies are getting.
Oh.
Which, yeah, wicked, and then pretty nice push up here.
Yeah, really nice push. There's 50 points. Almost 100 from the bottom wick.
Jeez. Yeah, I guess I gotta keep my 5. I'm gonna keep my 5 minute a little bit more zoomed out, so I can kind of, maybe I'll track the levels on the 5 minute.
Yeah, and I can move mine to the
And then the 1 minute I'll have zoomed
5
in a
if
little
that
bit
helps
better.
too.
Yeah, it's a hard thing, man. I'm always so stinking zoomed in on the 1 that sometimes you gotta remember, hey, You gotta zoom out. You gotta zoom out. You gotta look left. So
Yeah, and the
Q's,
5 makes you relax just a little bit more, right? If you get in the right spot.
right. Yeah, because like you said, we're basically up 100 points now. So Q's had a gap up, Nvidia had a gap up, VIX gapped down. VIX is trying to find some support though. So potential short would be up here at 168. See what kind of resistance it gets at 168.
Bro, Google 292, fixing to be 293.
Dude, I made a lot of money yesterday. I made $1,700 yesterday.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it was a good day. We're probably up pretty good today too. Let's see.
And guys, for $19.99, you can join our options VIP room right in the Discord.
But luckily, if you
Featuring
sign,
Greg, Tarsius, and Stack Z.
yeah.
We haven't told Stack Z yet.
But if you sign up today, you actually get a free flashlight. So, not to push
Yeah.
the today, not to push the today, but. Dude, L. Jones, you're trading the 15 seconds? No, you aren't, you nutball. No, you're stinking not. You're not trading no 15 seconds.
You're
Let's see
crazy,
what-
Jonesy.
Man, it's kind of crazy how long 15 seconds can be, huh?
Yeah.
You know, like you think 15 seconds, that's so stinking short. But then when you actually watch this candle dance and dance and dance and dance and dance and dance and dance, and you're like, oh. Hey guys, I already signed up. Thanks for the flashlight, says Charles. So Charles, unfortunately though, bud, it's not reciprocal. So if you're already an existing customer, you had to sign up.
Yeah, if you're
today.
an existing customer, it automatically downloads into your phone whenever you get Discord. So
Yeah.
you should have the flashlight app on your phone now.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. I mean, that's always so infuriating, though, right? It's like brand new customers. Here you go. You get a Ferrari and a Lamborghini. Existing customers, we just tripled your premium. We have to pay for those
Yeah.
Ferraris and Lamborghinis. Marco, it depends on how many contracts you are trading. Charles, you are silly. So here's that 170 potential resistance point that we have on the 5-minute. It seems like she's poking her head through pretty good, but like 179 is where these two wicks went up to. We can break above that, 206, break above that, 247, break above that. We're retesting our pivot point at 274. L. Jones, yeah, I scalp small moves, but I'm split screen. So I got a 1, 5, and 15. Sometimes even the 5 second if I'm feeling degen. Dang, dude. I know, as a joke, I put the 1 second on yesterday, and honestly, that was like a, you know, you're like a squirrel on friggin' Red Bull or something like that, you know? We're keeping it PG today, guys. We talked about squirrels on Red Bulls. We didn't use the other.
or dead leprechauns.
Or leprechauns, you're right. 179, we hit that 179 resistance point almost perfectly.
Know it.
But admittedly, she's
Kind of
still...
getting itchy for a short.
Yeah, right? You want to jump in? You won't. You won't.
I was wanting it to go up a little bit more because I don't want to have a 20-point stop.
Yeah, I know it, but I don't want it to go up to 204, for example.
I'm gonna try right there.
Oh, nope, we're not gonna touch that.
I'm in at 169. My stop's gonna be about 190, honestly, right now.
Oh,
Gonna move it to the top of that candle if it pushes down any.
I didn't realize you were
So risking about 400.
Or it felt.
169.
Oh, still wants to push though.
Alright, Rose, I gotta be able to see, please. What time is it? We got 40 seconds left of this candle. This 1 minute candle doesn't have a bottom wick on it yet. Now it has a bottom wick.
So took it a little early.
Here's 180s.
I'm gonna actually add one at 190, and then my stop will be at 205 roughly. Little scary as hard as it's pushing, but
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
well, I added 4 instead, so I got back
Shit.
out of 2. So it looks better than it is. It's not good right now. But
Good God, man.
I got right back out of them once I did that.
Yeah.
So we're still down about 300 roughly in my
Oh
head.
shoot.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Nah, I got stopped. Huh. Though, man, it's still kind of working, though, isn't it? You just got me nervous with all your negative talks over there.
Well, 176 will put me back to break even roughly. So we're still not out of the woods.
Oh, okay.
I know it, Mark. I didn't want a DCA. I wanted to add 1, and I moved over and added 4.
Oh, fuck, man. Here you go. Here you go.
All right, I'm going to take 1 off right there.
Oh, chicken shit.
Now we're just going to ride a little bit. I'm going to put my stop right here, about the 176s. That's kind of where my break even was.
Nice. Oh, man. I should have held it
170,
longer.
160s. My stop is at 160 now. That's 29, 30 points.
Hell yeah,
And we're
bud. Perfect trade.
Not right there. So we were down, but we got 691 out of that.
Hell yeah, bud. I chicken shitted. I'm down 46 bucks.
That's not bad. The numbers change a lot, right? I mean, it's totally different, right?
It's a different ball game, man. A different ball game. But I wish
And we
I,
did
you know,
just
I
get in
would've-
a little bit early. We should have
Yeah.
waited for that 88, 85 area.
I mean, I had a good entry. I got in at like 176 because I was just a little bit later. But then,
Okay.
I mean, I
See, when
you know,
I added into it, 176 became my average.
yeah, I added.
And then I was going to move up. I was going to move up to set. I had my little stop deal set right there where the 176 was, and I manually entered it. And then when I went to move up, well, I clicked sell again, so it added into it.
Yeah.
And so I was like, oh, shoot. So I sold it real fast.
Here we go. Here we go. Man, I needed to hold that. I needed to hold it. I needed to hold it.
So we got a little bit of news coming out in 3
All right.
minutes. Nothing major, but we got the
Yeah.
S&P Global. And then at 9 o'clock, we got a little more. We got PMI, stuff like that. So,
Yeah, the manufacturing stuff. Yeah.
so that should be a pretty decent little move. So,
Give us something.
and if anybody blows an account before we get off today, me and a couple other guys, oh, look at that drop. We made a perfect eulogy for it. So
A perfect
it takes
eulogy.
about 2 minutes to listen to, but
That's so funny, man. Damn it, dude. I should have. I was calling out that friggin' trade. I'm like, man, here's a resistance point. Here's a resistance point. Here's a resistance. I'm not gonna do it though. I didn't fucking. Open
yeah, I
it.
mean that's 40 more points that we gave up right there.
Jeez, bud. So maybe, I don't know, 80s, maybe 80s for a potential bounce. That's what our view op is at. Nice drop. Beautiful drop.
Wow.
So now there's no top wick on this 5-minute candle that is just crushing down right now.
Bouncing off the 80s right there, just a hair.
So Q's and Nvidia do still have that gap to the downside. Nvidia's ripping towards it right now. Q's is looking a little bit better, just halfway through its range. We're at the bottom third of our range.
Guess we need this candle to kind of close for us, don't we?
Yeah, broke.
I mean, I don't hate it right here, this 70 area, but I don't want it just to rip down here to
also keeping
45.
in mind we're 50 seconds now from the 9:45 news. YOLO some news.
You just got out before me, trying not to lose, and now you want to YOLO lose?
Dude, I know
I'm in.
I know it. We gotta work on that mindset.
Crazy sucker.
We gotta work on that mindset.
Look at that though, right off the 70s, right off that previous bodies.
Push back.
830s, yeah.
At this point though, we got 15 seconds.
Yeah.
There we go. Here's a 9:45 news. Breaking through the 50. Let's see if this 9 starts curling up. The 9 was trying to cross over the EMA for a sec. 9 was trying to cross over 21. Still
trying to decide if you took a short right there, where would your next kind of support rejection be? 140 maybe? I guess that wasn't too bad, about 15 points. You'd have to be above that though, so.
Man, I was still actually, because of that 5-minute candle, that 940 candle, I was still considering a long actually. See if we won't go up and test the top of that range again. But after a wick like that though, bud. Yeah, and the 9 is trying to cross over the 50 now, so the short might be beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, we would have been in at the 115s roughly. So there's 30 points.
Hey, Isaiah. Good morning. Stack Z, how we doing today, guys? How much money y'all made? Well, sir.
We're killing it, Isaiah. Killing it.
Killing it. Cowboys up 7. I'm down 46 bucks.
Same trade.
Same trade. I'm down 46. He's up 700. Gotta work on that mental. Still pushing pretty nice though, bud. Huh, right at VWAP here. Yeah, well, no, I didn't. Yeah, he goes, let me guess, you held. Yeah, ES is actually looking like it wants to break through its box. VIX is still popping up.
Yeah, look at that. Bounced right back up to the 80s, but I mean, honestly, if it could break this 70 right here.
Which is trying, man. I'm tempted.
I don't know.
Order filled.
That's it, isn't it? Is it going to go?
Come on.
Come on, cat. Help us out.
Oh. Come on. Oh, man, look how Wiki is getting, though. I don't like how Wiki is getting. Oh, God, it's getting really effing Wiki.
Stop filled.
All right. We're up 50 on the day now. We
Heck
did it,
yeah.
gang. We did it. We're back to green on the day.
Oh, Mark just said he got out of the short. Man, I don't know. I'm glad Greg just got out, but I really thought it was gonna flush right there.
Dude, for a second there, it was weird how volatile that was getting, though, right?
Yeah.
Like, look at this. Look at this candle dancing like crazy. It's like this is the news candle right here.
Right.
Well, now it's starting to slow down, but a second ago. Yeah, this is a pretty volatile candle. 60, 70, 80. It's a 25-point candle, but it's just bop, 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 bop. Ooh. Aww.
Mark got out of it, then he heard your computer say order filled.
I know.
The opposite, but it's probably too sweet for you.
Ew, I don't even want to try that.
I mean, look at that. Is that not a bear flag? Is that not a beautiful bear flag on the 1 minute?
Yeah, literally. Plus
Just
that
needs to punch
wick,
through.
right? Plus this really good
Yeah.
wick right here. Going through all the EMAs, stopping out everybody. Right now we're trying to form another little bear flag. I mean, like I mentioned on the 1 hour, we do have a no wick candle that would bring us all the way down to 23,761. That would be 300.
Wyatt's teacher just texted me.
Oh.
Jack, can you leave me alone, please?
All right, I'm going to try to be patient. I'm going to see if it'll come back up here and touch these
For later,
EMAs
just
first
so you're prepared.
on the
Oh,
1 minute,
today's April
maybe.
Fool's Day. I forgot
so
about
what should
that.
we do to him for when he gets home?
You should do like the 3D printed like thing on the. See if you can get him with a water sprayer or something like that.
3D printed what?
Like that little water sprayer that you put in the refrigerator.
It didn't fit in the thing.
Yeah.
Jack, can you leave me
I
alone?
would do that though. Look at your 3D printer really
This
quick.
went out with this dog.
He wants to play.
No, he's like,
Oh, maybe it's the lotion? Do you put like lotion on your legs?
no.
He's excited about you.
Look at him.
Yeah, that's pretty smart, Stack Z. I would wait too. That's what I'm trying to do, but if it
Going to wait
touches
until
that,
this 10 o'clock
that
news comes
21
out.
and 14 up there, I can't promise.
Yeah. Marco got out, and then I heard Greg's computer saying order.
Nice push.
Good thing we got out of that short. EMA is curling up nice. VIX is falling down nice. Man, this is gonna be like a long 9 minutes, though, if I'm being honest. You know? Man, that's gotta be crazy too for you. Wait, no, you're not the one that said it. Is Stack the one that? Oh no, Al Jones is doing the 15-second. I was like, man, if you're watching the 15-second, you're waiting 9 minutes for a trade. I gotta feel like that would be nuts, man. You're seeing so many candles just like typewriting by. Come on. There we go. Get a little ambiance in here. Are you trading minis, Greg? Why, yes, Marco. I am trading minis. I'm glad you noticed. Gotta wait for the setup in the 1 to 5, then look at the entry for the 15. I like that, man. So do you see for the 15-second? What is your confirmation on the 15-second? Like, do you try to just look for usual setups like bull bear kind of a thing? Or are you looking for specific wicks on the 15-second? What do you actually look for? Isaiah, the bad
I don't know
trade
that you have
had
time to look for anything.
the bad trade had no bias. It was I woke up and said, if I short, what will I happen? What will happen? Man, we're forming a bear flag on the 1 minute, but still just pushing, pushing, pushing. I still want us to get a wick on that, you know, bringing us up here to 24,186 on that 5 minute. Ugh. 9:54. Still 6 more minutes, huh? Isaiah,
We're
down
gonna go ahead and log
500,
out,
now
guys,
up
and we'll just come back.
125. Without bad trade, I'd be up 11.25. Good day. I'd close charts right now if it wasn't paper. Oh, do you just paper trade, bud? Isaiah, do you actually, you know, do you trade evals or lives or fundeds, or are you just paper trading still? Yeah, man, my bad trades are always just because of a directional bias that I have that I just have a, I don't know, I'll just wake up and have exactly that. You're just like, you know what, it has to be red today. I don't know why, but it has to be red. And then it'll just go up. Picking up some evals this paycheck. That sounds good, big dog. So you'll be ready for Monday. Basically just a head and shoulders, but I use a knockoff MCB, which is a momentum. Basically just a head. Oh, so you're looking for head and shoulders on the 15-second. Knockoff MCB, which is a momentum indicator from Crypto Face. Basically just enter on the right shoulder, and if price is in a good area, it works pretty well. Dang, you looking for head and shoulders on the 15-second. How often do head and shoulders... Oh. I guess they come pretty often, huh? Like this is almost...
Big Scotty.
You know, this is almost an ugly head and shoulders right now.
Yeah.
Little deformed child head and shoulders. Trying to fill out that shoulder, bring it back to VWAP, and then we come back down. Is that what you're looking at, sir? You about to go short then?
I mean, I like the short just basically just in front of all these EMAs, but
Dude, look at that. I mean, that's the perfect head and shoulder. This should be, if I'm reading this correctly, this should be L. Jones. This should be your friggin' move right here, right? So we have a bear flag on the 5 minute, so directional biased. We have your head and shoulders popping against the VWAP. Using the momentum indicator as confluence. I'm green, so I'm sitting on my hands waiting for something to set up, says Marco. Isaiah, if hard push down to 58, your short will be big. Lewis, just ordered an iPad so I can watch the stream while I'm at the house doing the reno. The whole squad is winning. The whole squad is winning. I love it. Good, good, good. And your iPad is going to have, luckily for you, right? Now it has the universal charging plug. Oh, I'm still on the 15-second here. $123. Hey. Yeah, look at these. Look at the EMAs just hugging and kissing right now. This is the 921 and 50, all just stacked together. Nice wick. What time is it? 9:58, gang. 2 more minutes. Watch this as we got 12 people watching and only 2 likes, says Marco. Come on, gang. I mean, admittedly, I get it. We've only made 2 trades. But come on, gang. Isaiah, all right. I'm sure from 011 or you're short until it goes to 011. Probably until it goes to 011. You're kind of targeting the 200 EMA basically. 1 minute till news. Let's see what the news does, Isaiah, you nutball. Yeah, I know, right? Use a brave soul. I was kind of thinking the same thing. I was like, wow, man, hit that YOLO. But it's paper, so I get it, man. It's paper. But those are you just don't want to reinforce those habits. Hard to get long right now. 1 day chart showing perfect edge of the 200 EMA. Yeah, I mean the 1 hour is looking a little bearish. Starting to form kind of a bear flag. We got 40 seconds left. What I would like to see happen, which would help out, well, not help out Isaiah yet, but I think, I don't know, I always just get so friggin' attached to these no-wick candles now. But maybe news gives us a pop up to the top of the range, and then we just have a brutal sell-off, 500 points, to bring us down to the 300, to the 700s. What did I say? 700s or 300s? 700s. 750s. 10 seconds. No, not yet. But I transferred money. Boom. Whoa, my trade of eight just stalled out for a sec. Got real wicky for a sec and then stalled out.
Off. Get off. That is not off. That's lay down. Get off. Stop rewriting the rules like you want it.
All right, Isaiah. Let's see, bud. Fortune is kind of getting some strength here. Lewis says, I can't believe how easy trading is. You're hitting that good rhythm, bud. You're hitting that real good rhythm.
Take advantage of it.
Just means we got to get you on this show sooner than later, Mr. Scotty. When you see a candle go up or down, 50% I win, 50% I lose. Yeah, hell yeah, bud. That's just like whenever you go to an ATM, you swipe your card, you get money back every time. You friggin' win every time. It's crazy. Until that day that you lose and you swipe that card and it goes meow, meow, and you're like, wait, what? You swipe it again? Meow, meow.
Yeah.
Fuck. Tell that to my therapist, says Marco. Lewis is on the wind up, dude. I agree, man. You're on a great trajectory. You're really killing it this year, bud. Keep doing what you're doing. I mean, that's a full life send, right? You're killing it with reno jobs. You're killing it with trading. A lot of good stuff happening right now, man. Man, this could be a resistance point, but at the same time, with that news momentum, we just seem to keep pushing. And by therapist, I mean wife, right? She wears many hats. I mean, definitely forming a bear flag on the 5 minute. I just don't know if it's going to push all the way up to the 190s first. That'd be 50 points against you.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's getting a good push right now.
Because it's not okay. I can turn the TV off.
I don't like that 156's rejection though.
Oh, Isaiah got stopped out. Yeah. I mean, and the frustrating thing too, Isaiah, is down still might be the way. This might just be a temporary momentum push, but I agree with you. Even me, like, I don't want to short right now and then hold it all the way to the 190s. So we're kind of seeing. Rejected off the 160s. Oh, my God. Oh. Ugh. I'm happy to say that the truck did not break down yesterday for the first time forever.
Nice.
Nice. Made it all the way there. Painted the trailer, you know. I think we're gonna go with we just primed it. We primed the entire interior, then we put some paneling on like the ceiling and stuff like that. We're gonna put nice lights in it and everything. I think we're gonna go with a burnt
Nice.
orange though, a little burnt orange
Oh,
on
yeah.
the walls. Yeah,
Nice. It's gonna be sweet.
yeah, man.
Do we get update pictures as you do it, or we just get the final pictures?
Man, I know I'm so bad. Like, I used to be such an influencer too. You know, I have 50,000 followers on Facebook. I used to make videos all the time. I was a really good content creator. Blah, 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 blah. And then honestly, what happened is 3 years ago, I almost died in Hawaii. I was a content creator all the way up until that Hawaii trip. I almost died in Hawaii in a car accident. Quit my job about 3 months after that. That was the other kind of reason that we quit the job and decided to take a step back from life and from work and all that chaos. And I kind of stopped making videos after that. I was so good at making stinking videos, though. I really got to get back into it. I got to find that love for it again. But yeah, so a project like this, I would have been all over that, man. You guys would have seen, like, I don't know, I would have probably had 37 reels made already. But, you know, just one of those things. Actually, I don't even think, babe, we never even finished our videos from that trip either. Yeah. Oh my God, dude.
Just totally stepped back from everything.
Yeah, that stinks, man. We had just done the road to Hana too. We had just filmed so much footage from the road to Hana, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Like, we went through this bamboo forest that was, I don't even know how many miles long is this bamboo forest, and then seeing the black beaches and, you know, just all the we saw some painted trees, just insane waterfalls, stuff like that. Yeah, and then that was the day that we almost died. Right after that, like 9 o'clock at night. So, unfortunately, that footage has never seen the light of day. Which, man, I had a good video in there too. I forgot, like, that day. Maybe it was my karma. I don't know. No, I mean, not really. But we're trying to find these, and cut me off if it's trading time. This will be quick. But we're trying to find a really nice waterfall. And we're driving by, and this British guy, Australian guy, perfect Australian voice too. And I can't even mimic it, but he was like, "Hey guys, you know, perfect waterfall over there." That was terrible Australian accent, so sorry about that. But you get the gist, you know. And it was so thick and stuff. We're just like, this is the waterfall to go to. So we pull up to the waterfall, and there was like a Instagram hoe, like just by herself, like in the water, like, you know, like trying to do the perfect float, and her husband's like trying to take all the perfect videos and like photos and stuff like that. And then Jackie started filming me, and she was the only person in there. I just ran up and did a cannonball, you know, kaboom, right next to this girl. It's probably a pretty funny clip, but I never even went back and looked at it. Yeah, that was a terrible Aussie accent. I know, Marco. I know, bud. I know. All right, something good to set up. Remember, it's April Fool's Day today. Don't let the market try and fool you. Be careful. Yeah, so we homeschool our kid, but then we also send him to like a co-op homeschool thing twice a week, 3 days a week. The teacher of that just called us to say, hey, just letting you know, Wyatt knows that today is April Fool's Day, and he's spending his entire day trying to think of tricks and pranks. So she gave us the heads up. Man, this has been a very elongated, slow-moving bear flag, but it kind of seems like it's starting to want to play out, maybe. Maybe not. Who talked about us pushing to 176 to put a wick on that stinking candle?
Yeah.
And then who didn't take the trade?
Waving the retrace at 120 right off the EMAs.
Yep. But let's see. I mean, if we can get just a quick wick to the 190s, that might be a beautiful short opportunity.
Yeah. We just don't want it to see it. We don't want to get in at the 90s and then it just push up over 200. I'd like to see a wick over 200 to be like super aggressive with catching the knife.
Right. L. Jones, good day, mate. Literally, man. Oh. I'm super curious now. I wonder if I can find that. Oh, God. How could I find that clip? Guys, beautiful waterfall right there. There's a nice wick. So we just put a wick onto that 5-minute can. No, we did not yet. No, it was 186. Sorry, not 176. 186. This is the candle we need.
I mean, that was close right up to the 180. So there's some rejection, but.
Sorry, gang, just waiting for something exciting to happen. I mean, I guess it's kind of happening in front of us. Honestly, it's because of the NQ. If I was M and Q, I'd be all over this thing still. I'm slowing down a little.
I mean, I want to try a long right here, but it just looks it looks crazy on a 5-minute. Mark's long. Okay, never mind. It doesn't look insane, Mark. It looks like that's exactly the right spot.
Yo, all right. Should we go long? I'll go long right now for the 187s.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking it could wick over this 90 area, maybe hit 200.
Well, fuck,
Oh,
guys.
there's a big pullback though.
Here we are, straight down to the 21. Patrick Wieland is long right now. Well, if Patrick Wieland is long, and if Marco is long, I'm long, but I'm already down $400 in my long, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Order filled.
Let me go see Marco. Let me go see. Is he making money? Oh no. Patrick Williams down $3,000 right now.
Yeah, I'm down 287. Thanks, Patrick. You dickhead.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I don't like how that 9's curling down a little. Isaiah's in
Once
the
again,
short.
here goes everybody trying to fade the cowboy.
Oh, shit. Well, I guess I shouldn't have just jumped into that, huh? No, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We're about to blow up this account.
What a rush.
Damn it, dude, right?
We needed a reason to play my eulogy, though.
I guess so, bud. Damn. Come on, ES. Come on, what time is it? We got a brand new candle coming right here. This candle hopefully will save me or it'll kill me. There we go. There we go. All right, Patrick. We don't hate you as much anymore.
Oh, that was a good push off the EMAs right there.
Yeah.
He's almost back to even.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Keep the push alive.
Stock filled.
All right. Well, damn it, Patrick. I lost $10. I was
Right,
up 50.
Zach?
How funny? How crazy is that? Actually, look at that. I was up $50 on the day. I was just in $500 in drawdown. Now I'm down. I'm up $44. So I lost $6 total on that calamity. Cowboy always comes out strong by the end of the day, though. Yeah, dude, that's the problem. Is listen, if Cowboy doesn't take the trade, in all honesty, I need to learn that I shouldn't take the trade.
Well, if this was a 1 minute, I mean, I'd have been trying to short it right there, right? Where y'all were. So on the 5 minute, I was like, okay, well, this may be good confirmation.
Yeah.
And then boom, we got a 37 point flush.
Yep.
But it pushed right back up. So
It
now,
pushed right
I'm
back
thinking,
up.
okay, well, do we try to grab this, kind of right in here and then see if it pushes? But I guess I need to go over and see if Marco's typing in the stream over on that other channel. And see.
Yeah, Marco, what are you saying to Patrick right now? Yeah, go tell him instead. Be like, hey, Patrick, Sink or Swim Trading is also in a long right now, so that should make you feel better.
Yeah.
Everybody go spam Patrick's chat right now. Spam the shit out of his
And
chat.
he has a
Say,
yeah, he has a better average than
yeah,
you.
say Greg from Sink or Swim just got a better trade than
Yeah, he just took the short.
Yeah.
I mean, I like this right here. I'm not gonna lie, but and I don't want it to just push down.
For the long now or for the short still?
For the long, honestly, I mean, it's still the short's still kind of playing, but our EMAs are pointing up.
Yeah. Yeah, VIX can fall through its box right here instead of going up. VIX is forming a bull flag is the only scary thing. I mean, that's the thing that sucks is we're trying to convince ourselves, but like there's a bull flag or there's a bear flag forming on all the 5 minutes, and then there's a bull flag forming on VIX. So there's like higher level stuff that's saying there's a bear flag on the 1 hour as well.
I mean, honestly, I would have tried to be short, and then I would have had my stop at 168. So honestly, I would be trying to find me a good entry to be short, where I didn't have to put on as much risk.
Yeah, I still want that 190s. I want to go short at 190s. That's what I want to see. I want to see a real quick.
I mean, I think it's gonna pop. 205, 200.
Yeah. And then we'll have to see if she wants to keep going after that. But I mean, obviously.
There's Zero Dawn.
Hey, Zero Dawn. Where'd my trade call out? We're a little undecided, sir. We don't know if we want a short right here, if we want a long right here. 187. Did that put that wick on there? Just basically matched it. No, put a wick on there.
No, not really.
Yeah, I kind of just matched it.
I mean, 205 is kind of the top of this 755 candle. What are you thinking, Zero Dawn? Everything's pointing up right now.
Chat, are you eating Meg's food?
Jet!
You stinking dog. He's like, well, technically it's my food.
Dude, you're gonna get sick again, man. Ah!
Marco getting chopped up, got stopped, went long again. Here's the thing, says Isaiah. You're going to lose money in long, and I win. Yeah, what? Oh, because he's in the short? Let's see, 10:16. You got 30 seconds left.
I mean, the 1 minute just doesn't look good. I mean, the 5 minute still gives hope, but I mean, the 1 minute stuff's starting to point down.
Yeah, I mean, we got this kind of resistance point now. Like, we're slowly trending. Slowly trending down here.
Yeah, Zero Dawn wonders if we're going to range. I mean, we kind of are right now, but I mean, we still had, it's kind of a 100-point range roughly right now, so it's not terrible, but. Oh, do we do it? Do we do it?
What, the short or the long?
Do we do it, chat? The long?
The long? Man, I know it.
Is that a bull flag? Is it a bull flag, Mark? Is it, Mark? Hurry, Mark. Hurry, Mark. Is it?
What do we got? I think it's a bear. I don't know. VIX's bull flag is starting to bull flag a little. Oh, look at that. My finger's on the sell. Your finger's on the buy. There's too much overlap. Don't trade it, says Marco. I mean, honestly, that's probably the smart thing.
Oh, man, I really thought it was going to push right there.
I really thought it was going to dump, you know? Yeah, I don't know. It's probably good. It's probably going to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 6th green candle. I'm scared. I don't want to buy at the top of the range, says Stack Z. I know it. Like, what your stop would be like 120, I guess. It would be kind of a big stop. Should we switch to M and Q and then we could just YOLO a couple micros? us feel better about it?
Oh, shoot.
Maybe that's the true edge, is like when you get tight consolidation like this, then you start like adding in the little guys instead. Lots of resistance at 24,180, says Stack C. Yep, seems to be.
Oh. Oh, I want to try. Or would your stop have to be one? Oh,
If you did a
140?
long, yeah, it'd have to be
130?
like 120. It'd have to be 120 if you do a long.
Ooh. I know, Mark. I know, Mark. That's the only thing that's kept me out this long is
Yeah,
your
it's
voice.
definitely gonna. Yeah, it's
But-
definitely gonna pop.
But you stopped talking.
What time
All right,
is
if
it?
it wicks down to the if it
Well,
wicks
it's-
a little past that right there.
And look at the time. It's 10:19:30. So we got 30 seconds of this 5-minute candle. You could get your 5-minute push.
All right, I'm trying right there. I'm trying, chat.
Fuck.
I got about $600 to spare. I can't help it. That wick down, Mark.
Yeah, the
It
wick
touched
to the
the
21. Is
I got in
nice.
late. I mean, it hit 52. I got in at 58, 59 almost. And I'm just going to target these 200s.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Can't help it.
Just can't stinking help it. The cowboy can't help it.
I know it's zero dawn. I got to have that fixed, man. I got to have it.
There we go, bubbies. All right, we got 300 off it. I got 30 points.
Oh my gosh, what was that?
That 180s is
All right,
a
I'm gonna put a stop
strong.
in.
That 180s is a strong friggin'
I got to stop in.
resistance.
All right, I'm flat. What the heck was that?
That 180, man. That 180 is a strong friggin' resistance point.
Oh, man, we were up like $600-700.
Dude, I'm up.
I'm glad it stopped right there where it stopped.
Yeah. I'm happy. I'm happy so far. I'm gonna cycle accounts now because we're being smart.
Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, that was the most beautiful trade ever. What happened?
So 10:20. We got 5 seconds left of this candle.
Oh, what happened, chat? That made me nervous. It was looking
About
so
to see
beautiful.
Machine Gun Cowboy. Ooh, Marco's long. Marco's getting all
Dang it,
excited.
Marco.
Marco took his blue pill.
Oh, that scared me.
Yeah, I mean, these wicks are crazy, man. These are really volatile, crazy wicks.
I mean, I think it's going to work out now. Look at that push.
Yeah.
Dang it. Try to chase it? No way, huh? Go, Marco.
Yeah, Marco. What are you going to target? So probably same thing, 206s. But then again, do we want to short? We might be looking for shorts here now. Remember, originally that was my thesis or my plan is I wanted this wick so I could start short in. Maybe wick through the 205s like you said.
I should have just held it when it caught itself, but man, it wicked right below mine for a second.
It wicked. It was a quick wick. It stopped me out
Look at
too.
that,
But
205. What a
there's
jerk.
205. Boom, Mark.
Come on, NQ.
Come on, Marco.
Go, Mark, go. That gummit.
I don't know. It's always so infuriating, isn't it? When it goes without you. $15 seconds left
210,
of this
Mark.
candle.
I'm not gonna give you. I'm not gonna give you another warning if it pulls back from here. I think 220 though, maybe right. There's the 20s.
Yeah, 250, 246 was obviously.
Marked out. Good job, Mark.
Good job, Mark. Get that money. No top wick.
Oh. That's so
Yeah.
frustrating.
I know it, man. Beating you up, huh? Beating you up. I mean, look at me too. The same thing though. I was like, as soon as it hits 206, I'm punching short. You know, I'd be up 15 points on that little retracement just right there. Look at that. Wow, and then wicks right all the way back up. So we just took out London high with that wick. We took out our London high. Marco got long after the 1019 candle closed. 1020 candle almost stopped me out, but I followed my system. Trying to form.
I had a system until it did that crazy candle down for like 20 something points.
Yeah.
And then I just set my stop at, I think I made maybe $100 on it or something, but unreal. And it only went 2 ticks below, I think, my entry, but
there's our 180s again. Short is short end. Shoot, that would have been fun. I should have just done it. I don't know why I didn't. It's literally what I talked about. Come on down, says Zero Dawn. Let's get that Bob Barker. Shoot, man. Don't you tempt me with that short. Trump speaking at 6 tonight with some major announcement on the Iran war. Yeah, I really haven't been following that again. I gotta get the Spark Note version again. It seems like the talks are going well, but the last I had heard, like, isn't it the guy's son is in power right now? So isn't that gonna be a situation where like the son is almost worse than the dad? Like, isn't that what happened with oh gosh, just shows you how friggly I'm not political at all, man. But how Kim Jong. Isn't that what happened to Kim Jong? We removed Kim Jong's dad from power, and then Kim entered, and he was even worse.
Yeah.
So why aren't we literally doing the same thing as again?
Yeah.
Oh, is he feeling left out again?
I know, that was really funny. Kim. Back down to these 180s. Little Rocket Man. I know. Our Little Rocket Man. Dude, that was my favorite movie in one of my favorite movies in college when The Interview came out. I literally watched it. I think we watched it like 17, 18 times or something. So we're still getting the support at the 170s. I still honestly can't believe we pushed up this far without any pullback, though. Dang, late again, guitar guy. Yeah, we've been having a good morning, bud. 5-minute chart is looking bearish. Yeah, dude. Well, yeah, 5-minute chart's looking bearish. 1 hour chart's looking bearish. VIX is looking like a bull flag, which would be looking bearish. But for some stupid reason, we're still pushing.
I mean, I had my buy, or my kind of wanted to be short at that 195. It wicked barely over to like 198.
Yeah.
But I wasn't really paying attention to it. But I was thinking there with my stop above 210.
Yeah. All right. I think I'm going to switch to MNQ. MNQ. Because I want to start this short. And I agree with you. I don't want to screw up a freaking blow up an account, you know?
Right.
But I want to start the short, and I'm going to short all the way up to 245. That is the plan. What's Patrick Whelan doing right now? Is Patrick short?
Yeah, Mark. What's going on, Mark?
Yeah, Mark. Everybody go spam Patrick's chat. Let him know that Greg from Sink or Swim is short now. Greg just started his short position, so everybody else should start their short position. He's trading it with 1 M and Q. Guys, I learned to trade from Patrick. I learned to trade from Patrick too, bud. I didn't even know what futures were until I sat on Patrick's show. And then Patrick was like, listen, this is what futures are. Literally, my very first question to him was, I was like, man, how do I, oh, what was the question? It was so friggin', it was such a brand new question. I think it was even like, how do I change from like, you know, how do I get to the right futures thing or something like that? Like, what contracts are we trading? And he's like, oh, like you're brand new. And I was like, yeah, man, that's what I said in my email. Like, I'm good at stocks, but like, I don't really know what futures are.
Yeah. Yeah, like, so I can buy and sell, but I can sell them before I buy them? Like, that don't make
yeah,
sense.
yeah. Can I just borrow? Can I borrow the sale and then sell it to you and then borrow it back?
I know, Mark, and we're not making fun of you, but we're just making fun with you.
Yeah, man.
You're our favorite.
Yep.
If we weren't picking on you, we'd be picking on Guitar Guy, but he wasn't here yet.
You're right. Guitar Guy, though, tomorrow I'm planning on starting a Tradeify Growth 50K eval. I've been true to the stream for weeks, he says. Marco's like, I've been true. I've been bleeding.
You just slipped up a little bit.
Yeah, he's like, I've been bleeding, sink or swim, and trading cowboy. He means nothing to me, I promise. Well, unfortunately for my short here, VIX's bull flag is kind of invalidating. And admittedly, this bear flag now in the 5 minute is getting a little more strength than I want it to get. ES is getting a little more strength, but we'll see. It might still just be a quick pop up to like the 211s, or once again, maybe we're going all the way to the 245s. But that's okay. I like that, Marco. I've been true to the stream for weeks.
He just had a little itch. He had to, and I mean, last week I know why you were true to us, because he wasn't even there, Mark.
Yeah, right.
He was out raising in the desert.
He had to settle for D money. I'll be new.
I know, because I watched.
Yeah, exactly. I know. I tried to watch some of his actually some of his racing stuff, but for me, like the chat seemed to be not having the same issues I was having, apparently, because I couldn't see anything. Like, it kept just, like, white screening out to, like, Blizzard, and then once in a while you'd see, like, one crystal clear, like, photo of it, and then it would go back out. So it was like the, you know, it was just cutting in and out.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped out. No, just kidding. No, we'll try to ride this one, man. This one I kind of don't really care much is about, so I'm kind of curious. I mean, admittedly now, though, all the kind of, what was
Guitar
supporting
Guy will
this,
be new to Tradeify if there's any issues with him. Listen, Guitar Guy, how much does that growth one cost?
growth eval.
Let's just figure some of this out real quick. Does it have? Do you have to pay a fee if you get past? $87 right now. Is it just 87 all in? Was that the wick to go short right there at 217?
Ooh, don't get me excited.
I mean, look at that. It wicked that top one.
Yeah.
And then pulling right back under.
All right, we'll add another 2. We're up to 4 now, guys.
No activation fee, and you can pass it in one go. So let me look. I'm logged into my deal, but it doesn't really give you a good. Okay, daily loss 1250. So if you lose 1250, it stops you out for the day. End of day drawdown.
There we go.
Okay, this is what I'm going to say, and I have no idea if this is going to work. I don't even know if this is... So, like, you can buy it tomorrow, sure. I'm in talks with them right now. Supposed to meet with them one-on-one video conference Monday.
Nice.
Try to use the code Cowboy and see if it works.
Ooh.
Just type in Cowboy and see if it works whenever you get ready to buy it.
For Tradify, you're saying?
Yeah, just try it.
Nice. Oh, fuck me. Look at this. I wasn't looking. It came down to... Oh, I was going to take one off at 159. It came down to 160.
Oh. Right there at that 9.
Right?
Order filled.
That Z's targeting 140. I see that. I'd like it to wick through that 9 and then hit the 21. Go right through the 14.
Yep. I hope you're watching this right now, by the way, Charles.
Greg's sitting back, relaxing. Yeah, I tried in all caps. I don't know, actually. I don't even know if it'll work, Guitar Guy. Try it both ways.
Boom. Come on. Hit that 140.
And I may not have anything on there yet. I was just curious. Kind of makes me nervous because they still want to talk to me. Talk about all my trading strategies and...
Hell yeah. Dude, that's super exciting stuff though, man. That's the next level. You know, that's the whole point of friggin' doing it, right? That's beautiful.
Well, and he
man.
was kind of like, I mean, let's be honest, guys. They're kind of like, okay, just stop emailing me. Let's kind of talk. You know?
Super friggin' cool, man. I'm proud of you, bud. Proud of you.
Nice
Well,
job,
down to one.
Stack. That was a nice trade.
Yeah, down to 1 right now. Yeah, 196 was the entry. We're up 50 points on it. Made 330 bucks in this account now, so we're up 600 on the day, guys. Not a terrible day so far. Maybe this will come all the way down to our VWAP. 96.
And that's kind of crazy. The only trade of a pivot point to the downside is 613.
Wow.
I know Zero Dawn's probably still riding it.
Mm-hmm. Stack Z's out at the 140s. Man, I don't know. I would love to hold it a little longer. Watch it come up to the 9 though. It's kind of a shitty place to get stopped right there. I should probably move this up a little, but I don't want to. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if the 50 holds it.
Isaiah's still riding.
Nice, Isaiah.
I know, Mark. It's hard as I get older.
Trap the bulls and sell off. Didn't buy it yet, but it says your promo. But it says your promo is successful. Did you just see that, Cowboy?
Really? I mean,
Yeah.
and so I don't even know if it's mine or not. So
True. Yeah, I mean, it has to be. How many Cowboys are there, right?
I mean, I think there's just one.
I think there's only one. It does say the at the beginning. I am the. You know?
Yeah.
There's a lot of downside potential. Yeah, man. I know. I almost want to take this
I'll know
stop
more
away,
Monday
but
though.
I also don't want to give up. Yeah, there it goes. Looked out. Not
Yeah,
a
look at
bad
that
trade
pop.
though. 287 bucks on that guy.
Heck yeah.
We're up 366 in this account. 287 in this account. Not a bad day. Oh, the cowboy guitar says. No, I don't think it's for the combo code. No, it's probably just cowboy, right?
Oh yeah, just do cowboy.
Yeah.
But I am the one and only.
Yeah, the one and only.
I think there's a couple other guys out there.
Is there? There's some cowboy traders?
I think so.
The stinking devils.
They may be a little more cowboy than me though, so.
I think you got the correct amount. You know?
I think so. I think all of us could be cowboys.
Yeah. Damn, look at us
I
rip
think
all the way
it's just a
back up here to the
mindset more than
180s.
anything.
All right, Greg, I want to see a 5 mini trade, says Isaiah. Listen, sir, we're not paper trading. It's a little bit harder sometimes when you got to keep shoveling that $40 into it. Wow, look at that push up to the 200s. Huge push. Huge push.
Look at that.
1039.
Look at that. Whoa. Right to that high
What?
246. Wow.
All
Did
the way up
anybody
to
short that?
245. And then an instant 45, instant rejection. Damn, dude, if I had just sat back on that trade, I had 2 sells right here at like 241, 245. I would have just snagged those 2 sells, and those both would have been up 50 points. That would have been pretty nice.
Yeah.
What a friggin' candle, though. We only have 4 seconds left of it. Damn, I'm glad I got a 140, says Stack Z. Yeah, same thing, man. I was thinking about moving my stop back up a little bit, too, to break even. Kind of glad I didn't do that, though. Again, this could be a huge short now. That might have just been to get everybody the stinking way out.
Yeah.
This might be a massive
Yeah, it didn't
short
wick.
now.
It didn't wick through that top either. So.
Right.
Wow.
Grab the halo candle. No top wick on this. Let's see if it comes back up the 214s first before making a decision. What kind of friggin' elevator music is this shit right now?
No joke, Stack Z. I mean, when it hit 130ish, I was like, "Oh dang, is it gonna jump through the 50?" But I'm glad you got out at the 40s for sure.
Huh. Man, what just a slow, stinking grind from 9. It's been an hour long, just real slow grind for 100 and a decent amount, almost 200 points, I guess. But good grief. Well, I can't trade in my demo this morning. My real-time data expired. No, guitar guy. Isn't that one of those stupid annoying things, right? Like, I will say that once you get into trading futures, and of course, you just have to make, you know, like one payout, and then it's all worth it type thing. But the monthly fees on everything, right? And it's just like little nickel and dimes. Like, oh, you want the real-time data? That's $15. Oh, you want the Tradeify more than like 5 friggin' screens? That's, you know, $5 or $10. Oh, you want this indicator? That's another $5. You know, it's like, damn.
Yeah, I've honestly contemplated just going to just straight trade of 8, not having anything else. Just
really,
yeah, just watch it and
and not have any any Tradeifys. Well, would you have multiple trade of 8 screens then? Would you have like a 5-minute trade of 8 screen, a 1-minute trade of 8 screen, a 1 hour?
Oh yeah, I think so. I mean, it would get rid of one screen for sure that I could add, you know, like the 15 on or something. So.
Yeah. Just get a Lucid account, says Isaiah.
And Guitar Guy, I mean, if you're 10 minutes behind us, you can bank on that today. Just watch our screen. Look back. Mine's a 5 minute, so look back to that previous candle and do whatever the one after it's doing, and you'll bank on your demo account today.
Oh, Stack Z, you grew up on a farm most of your life. That's pretty cool, man. What like what kind of animals did you guys have? Like were you a cattle farm or anything like that? Or did you have like goats or horses or ducks or anything, man? That must be a great place for a childhood, right? And that's kind of what, yeah, it's kind of what we're trying to provide with our kids now, but, right? Just having those open fields and four-wheelers and freedom and mud and fucking mud, some trucks, you know? That's awesome, man. That's a beautiful thing. Oh, Guitar Guy, he says, when I start making them payouts, I'm putting money on my real Trade-Evade account. Yipes, bud. Stick with the minis if you're doing that. Or the micros. Stick with the micros if you're doing that. Until you
I mean,
really...
honestly, I think, and I know Stack Z does it, but I think, you know, you get to the point where you're making money on futures, then I think you just take it and put it in, you know, Schwab or Webull or Robinhood or something like that. Then you just start buying stocks with that money.
Yeah.
I think that would be a better than using your own money in futures.
Yeah.
We all know what
all
happened.
right, Greg is getting a cuss jar to fund viewers' evals. Yeah, guys, listen. Oh, I try my hardest, too. It's something that I honestly, I'm cognizant of. I'm cognizant that I swear a lot. And I try my best not to. But then the second you guys get me excited about anything, you know, it just starts flying out. Just starts stinking flying out. So I'm sorry. But look, I just said stinking. I do have, you know, I do have my children's swear words as well. I'll say friggin' a lot or stinking. You know? Donut costs like $1,000 for one NQ Mini in Trade-Evade. I believe, not that it costs you $1,000.
I think it's more than that.
But yeah, I think that you have to have. Don't you? I don't know what the minimums are. Like if you want to trade a micro, the minimums are 100. If you want to trade a mini, the minimums probably are 1,000 or something like that, just because of the, you know, slippage, right? And then right, so you make one trade. So think about that. If it's $1,000 minimum, you make one mini trade and you lose $80, then you're out. You can't make another mini trade. Then you're down to the micros. Every word is $2, says Isaiah. No,
I love Isaiah. No, we going
it.
to get that jar right now.
Literally. Yeah, it might just be 500 or something, Guitar Guy. It could be.
But then if you try to hold that overnight, because you can hold those, you know, through close.
That's different.
Well,
yeah.
I think it goes from like $1,000 to like 5,000 or 6,000. Just
or
to
10,000.
hold
Yeah,
one.
I even think it was like 10,000. It's big. Yeah, you have to have some big pockets then. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah. Yep. Man, look at this massive move just out of nowhere. And now it's just slowly getting retraced. What the hell was that about? Now we're starting to form a ugly bull flag on the 5-minute. Bop, bop, bop. Huh. I wonder if today will just be kind of consolidate chop day. I mean, obviously we had a pretty big move over, well, yesterday. Yesterday was a big move. Overnight we still continued it. I remember 3 words so far, so you owe viewers $6. Isaiah. Did you find my Did you find my password yet, Isaiah? Give me those.
He's like, yeah, I've been using it.
Give me the views up. Actually, in all honesty, that's why I haven't made one trade today. This has all been Isaiah. This is Isaiah trading my accounts. $366, $287. It's like 6 something, right? 620. How many people? What we got for concurrent right now? What we got? 11. All right. Do we get any stinking likes yet, guys? If you like what we're doing, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. We try to do this every single day for you guys. Try to make some shmoney every single day. We got some smooth jazz for you right now that I'm about to change because I don't want to listen to smooth jazz. It's called Little Red Wine.
All right, here's another little push. Can we get long now, Marco?
Where the longs at? Ooh. We're about to listen to some main character songs. If we were main character, this is what we'd be listening to.
Yeah, for real, Stack Z. That's what I do a lot. I just buy more, and then when it moves back up, sell some of the ones I had. Mark says, I think I should have been home 2 minutes ago.
Hold on. Not to take us away from. Man, I need a better way to do this. I need to be more technologically advanced. Whenever I want to show something on the phone, I can show it without doing this. But here's the Australian guy, if you want to hear him. Maybe he's Boston. We're going to see in a sec. He's either Boston or Australian. This is 5 hours before I almost died, by the way. In this car. Actually, I totaled this car. This car is no more. This car is gone. Hold on. You'll see this guy in a sec. In the road to Hana, it's like 10 foot wide. It's a single lane road. Super sketchy. Show the road too, he says. See, we're getting ready for those video edits. And then hold on, you'll see the guy in a sec. Oh, fuck. I hit the wrong thing. Hold on. We're almost there. Stick with me. Where are you, gentlemen? Here he comes.
Ah, they got the doors on. That's cool. Check out the waterfall, guys, right there. Yeah.
Check out the waterfall, boys, right there. So, yeah, 4 hours later, almost dead.
Yeah, Zero Dawn, what happened? I'm glad you got stopped out at 135.
So this is when I found that Insta-ho really quick, and I ruined her little photo shoot, which the angle isn't as good as I thought on this phone. This is when I was a little bit heavier too, so don't make fun of me, gang. But look at this. Like, you just kind of barely see her on the side there, and she was trying to, like, she had like a flower on her belly and stuff like that, and she was trying to make this like little sensual video, and then I do a cannonball. Oh,
yeah, Stack Z, I think that's a way safer approach, and Greg can even teach you all the tax tricks and tips on that too.
Oh God,
buying and selling the stocks, and
no,
he
sir,
can't talk about it right now, but
Jesus Christ, guys, yeah. Look up wash sale rules. Look up wash sale rules and make sure that you know the ins and outs of wash sales thoroughly. If you have stocks and don't know much about trading stocks, dollar cost averaging is a great strategy to use. Average down on your investment when the market is going down to compound the gains. So the problem, Stack C, I don't even know how to explain this correctly. But basically, as long as you're DCAing, and you're not getting out and getting back in on that same losing trade. So if you buy a stock at $20 and it goes down to $15, and then you decide to sell it, and then you buy that same exact stock the very next day at $15, your cost average is still the $20. You know, again, I can't explain it all. I friggin' can't explain it all. But basically, the wash sale rule can get friggin' nuts, and it can compound your losses in a tax way that doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. I don't even know how to friggin' explain it.
And that's all he can really say right now, because we're going to put that in the Discord. We're going to have a little interview podcast with him on there. So
God damn. I mean, I should see an accountant eventually. You know what he's talking about. So I'll finally tell him. Follow me for more trading advice.
yeah,
One of my stock accounts that I day traded for 2025 shows that I have a $987,000 loss. I don't know how. Somehow. Oh yeah, there's $8 in the jar. Dang it, Isaiah. You friggin' guy, man. So yeah, somehow with the wash sale rules and me not understanding the wash sale rules and me day trading way too much on this one Fidelity account somehow resulted in, on paper, like a $990,000 loss. Absolutely bananas. Which, insanely enough, I made money in that account. Not a lot of money, but I made money. I made like 15 grand in that account over the years, something like that. So I made 15 grand. I don't have to pay any taxes on the 15 grand. And because I was trading like such a degen with the wrong things clicked on my computer, I actually have a tax write-off of $980,000, which I can now use for the rest of my entire friggin' life, because you can only write off 25 grand every single year on stuff like that. So I'll just be holding this $980,000 loss for basically the rest of my life. Or, I mean, you know, next year when Cowboy and I have our first $1 million year, you know, I can offset that $1 million gain with apparently my $1 million loss.
so I'll be in trouble.
Hey, that's good for the taxes, says Isaiah. Yeah, I still don't. I honestly, I don't understand. I don't know how it works. I don't know. My accountant is gonna freak the F out when I actually go there. She's gonna be like, "What did you do?" And I'm gonna say, "I don't know, man. I made money."
That's literally what we've told her for the last 3 years.
Well, in Stack Z, that's what I talked to several guys here around me, and that's what they do with the Bitcoin. You know, the second they buy it, if it goes down 20 grand, they sell it, and then they buy it right back, 10, 20 minutes later.
Yeah.
And then they get that write-off. They still own the Bitcoin, but they get that write-off. And if it goes back up, they still get that 20 grand write-off if it goes right back up. So,
absolutely insane, right? So
and that's what a lot of those guys are doing.
Not a big deal. We traded a mill. So actually, insanely enough, I traded $10 million. I traded $10 million in that account in 2025.
And you made 15.
And I made 15. And on paper, it shows I lost $1 million. So I don't know what the hell any of that is. Honestly, we're blanking that one out. We're blanking that one out. Hydro's trying to get us back to trading. Thank you, sir. Is this an April Fool's pump and dump? I don't know. Like my whole theory around it. First off, I was looking for this wick to get filled, and then I thought this was going to be a massive bear flag, and obviously that got invalidated right here, and then we just ripped instead. VIX, same thing. VIX was forming a bull flag. That's no longer a bull flag. Whoops. Oh, why is this not working? Sorry, this is supposed to show you all my other stuff. EQIN, why is that not in the... there we go. So yeah, VIX. VIX was forming this really nice bull flag when everything else was forming a really nice bear flag. So it made sense that this was going to work out, but it did not. $10 now. Isaiah, my God. If I got to be honest, I'm not even noticing that I'm doing it. I notice it once in a while, but I haven't noticed the last, I guess, 5 that I've done. I'm very intrigued now. I'm actually confused by that, Zero Don said. Yeah, I'm 100% confused by it as well. 100% confused by it as well. It was the longest rabbit hole of me like screenshotting everything, showing ChatGTP, showing like beginning balance, showing ending balance. So that's how I know I made the 15. But yeah, man, just I don't know, you know, like you buy 50,000 worth of something and then you sell 50,000 worth of something 5 minutes later, and then you buy 50,000 of something and then you sell 50,000 and then you buy 50,000 and then you sell 50,000. That's how you can get up to $10 million pretty quickly. Well, I guess it wasn't that quick. It was over 365 days, but yeah. Very interesting. I'm wondering if I'll get audited because of it, you know?
I bet you're still a little fish in the whole game.
Yeah, I know. That's the end of the day, right? Especially Trump wants to disband all that stuff anyways, right? So 24 260s. The last time we were here, let's look at our 1 hour. I mean, we're already above this little nugget right here. So at this point, it almost seems like it'd be pretty probable we'd go up to the 285s. And then maybe get a little rejection there. Unless this was kind of our real rejection point, 218s, and we just happened to wick a little bit farther through it. But it seems like we're pushing kind of hard past that, though. 218s.
Your sister and Jeff are gonna be actually at like the NASA complex for the launch today.
No, wait.
She said their neighbor works.
Today's Artemis? Artemis is actually doing it? Artemis is launching? No
There's
fucking
an 80%
way.
chance in a 2-hour window.
Oh!
I said take good pictures.
Can we go?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I'm not-
Literally.
Do you remember when we tried to go there for? No, it took us like 3 hours to get there, and then I got scrubbed.
I get it, but now my sister lives there. I
Yeah, but
honestly...
she's not gonna be at her house. Her friend's getting her onto the platform. Like,
Can
because
she-
They work there.
Can she get us on the platform?
Well, she just said we're gonna be at the actual NASA complex because our neighbor works there and got us in.
Well, just ask her. Be like, hey,
You
if...
ask her.
Well, she didn't text me it. She texted you it.
Well, I asked her something else, and now we're talking about this.
Because otherwise, I say we cancel out of our plans today. We go do that. Man, so if, yeah, you guys, you might not know this. You might know this. Have you guys heard of the Artemis rocket? The NASA Artemis rocket?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking huge. Like a huge monster. Like, I think it's literally the biggest rocket to ever be shot up into space. Is literally going to be shot into space today. Well, I don't think it's manned or anything, though, right? Is it manned?
Like tonight, right? Or like this afternoon late?
Yeah, and we're only an hour and a half away from Cocoa Beach, so I'm saying let's we gotta cancel the plans. We gotta drive over there. I need to feel it.
Grab some lawn chairs.
You know, I gotta feel it in my friggin' chest. Because we see, I mean, from my lake, you know, right above the lake, we see the SpaceX rockets all the time. You know, especially if it's a
Cool.
clear night, you'll get a perfect like 5-minute view of it. Just. Yeah, it will be very busy with traffic. That's what my wife is saying, is last time we tried to make it to a rocket launch when we first moved down here, and it was one of the big ones. We left maybe 3 hours early to get down there, and we never even made it. We ended up being like, I don't know, maybe 15 miles away from the place. So what should have taken an hour took us 3 hours to get there. We were still 15 miles away, and then it got scrubbed.
Wow.
So we would have ended up missing it anyways. Staxy, is this how the rich do it? I mean, that's what tax advantages are for. Confused by that? Have full eval. Moon equals stocks to the moon unless it blows up. Yeah, dog. You're a House hour away from Coco. Dog, what the hell? I've been. Nice, man. And Isaiah, I always forget. Where are you now? You're not in Florida, though, right? Man, I missed a lot of this chat. Sorry, gang. Kind of got absorbed into my world for a second here. What am I doing right? Texting my sister. And Mississippi, $12. Did I really just swear again? And Mississippi, with the nonprofit mission thing I used to work for, is in Cocoa. So I've been. Hell yeah, dude. What is? Oh, heck yeah,
Nice.
dude. That's not really a swear word. What is the nonprofit mission thing that you used to work for? Oh, you don't work for it anymore. Used to. Sorry guys, I had to clear us and get a van and everything. There's only one seat left because his wife is not feeling well, but he chose the other people. Ew. We're coming to your house anyways. She got 2 pages of rules to read. Wow, so my sister's actually going to be on the launch pad.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's gonna be cool, man. She'll feel it. That's gonna be really, 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 really cool. Plus, I bet you. I don't know if Elon will be there actually or not. He's not really
All of their roads
involved
are
with it.
closing already. We will never get out there.
Oh no!
It's gonna be a shit show.
Coco is shutting down the whole city. All the roads are closed. Oh, babe. If we left now, though, we'd get there. 400,000 people descending on us, she says.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Oh,
We will watch it from our backyard.
no. It's
So she's
history,
telling you
though.
she can get you in.
I know. I literally texted her. Hold on, I'm texting her back. Tell them I'm the owner of Sink or Swim Trading. Tell them we have 12 people watching concurrent right now. See if it sways them. I have an appointment today.
And you're gonna be live streaming it for all of them.
Dude, I will. If you guys get me in. If you guys get me in. Overland Mission Headquarters is here. An Overland Missions Headquarters is there. I guess I don't even know what Overland Missions is. Overland Missions. Ooh, where'd that come from? Come on, guys. Child show. Child show. So we came up to 286 here if we pretend like we want to talk about trading again. Let's see. Oh, man. I mean, what did I just say a minute ago? Who the hell knows? Because that's all I've been doing is talking, but... Oh, let's see. We just had this beautiful 1 hour screen up here, and we were saying if she's going to keep pushing when it was at 246, we said it probably is going to come up to this 286. That's what we just hit. So, potentially now, we could have a pretty good retracement. Look at that W. Boom, 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 boom. If it wants to keep pushing, then obviously we're going up to like 380. We're going to go up another 100. But how far?
Yeah, man, I want to jump in. I want to jump in short, but it's just been slowly stair-stepping up.
I know, man. It's gone up 200 points. Just trickling up 200
Yeah.
points, man.
It's giving me some time to work on our sink or swim.
Ellie. I gotta goes to Ellie. Ellie.
Oh, Isaiah.
Okay, so excited for my eval. Keep cussing, Isaiah says. What are we at now? Marco says, I've enjoyed story time. It distracted me from drawdown. Yeah, literally, we've had story time here. Been to Africa and Turkey with them. No way, dude. That is a really stinking cool company, man. That would be a lot of fun. I said stinking, man. I just said stinking. Are you guys active in Discord throughout the day? It's one of the things, honestly, we should get better at. I mean, you guys were the ones that wanted the Discord, right? So that you guys could talk to each other? I mean, basically, end of the night. You didn't mean stinking, he says. End of the night, I kind of look at the Discord, and then I'll go and I'll give you a couple flames and stuff, you know? Give you a couple fires. Say, good job, gang. I know, we have to be better at it. Just a lot going on. Africa and Turkey. Yeah, one of when I was still in real estate, I had this Turkish rug guy. That was like how he made all of his money. He was just a multi-millionaire Turkish rug guy, and he ended up buying a house from me. And so he gifted me with a rug, with a 8x10 Turkish rug.
And it's now in our garage with duck shit on it.
And it's now in our garage with duck shit on it. Yeah, he told me it was a $10,000 rug, which I tried to sell it, and it's not. It's like, well, I didn't really try to sell it too well. I just called one place, sent them a quick picture, and they're like, based on the pictures, we think it's a... Where did they think it was from? Like an Afghan?
They said it was a Persian rug.
It was Persian?
And it's not, it's Turkish.
But it was...
From the 80s.
From the 80s? I thought it was still 100 years old, though.
No.
I don't know. So maybe we brought to one. So the Turkish rug guy is telling me that this is 100 years old, and that's why it's so valuable. Over the phone and by a photo, I sent it to somebody else, and they said that it was a Persian rug, and it was only 30 years old or 40 years old. But yeah, unfortunately, it was a god-awful, ugly rug. I mean, it's a nice rug. You can tell it's an expensive rug. It's definitely at least a couple $1,000s. So that's what the people told us. They said it's probably worth like $1,500 to $2,000, which, again, who the hell knows? But it's vibrant red. You know, it's red, and like got purples in it and browns in it, and it's just like, you know, our house is like Joanna Gaines. It's like, you know, I don't know. It's got like the whites and the grays and like the light browns and stuff like that. And red isn't one of those colors. All right, gang. I might only give it like 3 more minutes here. We're starting to slow down. I haven't taken a trade, I think, in an hour now. We've had a pretty darn decent day, though. We're up 287 in one account. We're up 366 in another account. We're slowly stinking trickling there. Marco, sounds like you guys need a splash of color from a rug inside your house. Well, so listen, we have lots of color now. Like we got burnt orange, you know. Here's a nice burnt orange quilt. And we have now we have a lot of greens and stuff like that. Like we have what would you say? Like a boho. Now we're kind of more of like a boho chic styling where there's a lot of like creams and browns and greens and bright, you know, burnt oranges and stuff like that. 18 for the jar. No.
He's trying to get that eval today.
Dude, he is. What are you sending me, sir? Oh, the logo. Hell yeah, dude. Jerry made, or Trading Cowboy just made this for me yesterday. Look at that. Honestly, it's so stinking cool, man. which I know that you laughed and giggled and probably tried to. It was probably a decision on should I do NQ or M&Q on the surfboard. So thank you for putting NQ and pretending, you know. We just ride those the little waves. If it was an M and Q board, it would be teeny tiny waves instead of like the big giants that they're surfing now.
Yeah. Then we could have put, instead of sink or swim, we'd have just put my little swimmers.
Right. Yeah, my little swimmer. It's got like little swimmies on it, little arm swimmies. Too stinking cool, man. Too cool.
Well, it reminded me when you showed us that other screen you had a while ago. I saw your sink or swim logo.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shoot, I never sent that. So.
Oh, I forgot about that. I don't even have the logo up here anymore, do I? Aww. That is sad.
I mean, it's not even watermarked on your page either. So.
What the hell? Huh.
Isaiah, $22, my dude.
Huh. Where do we want this little guy?
And Isaiah, you missed the run up this morning before he was trying to be good.
You missed the run up. Oh no, guys. Is it really that bad? Honestly, it is that bad because I haven't even noticed myself doing it, but I don't know, man. I didn't realize I was that bad. There we go. Now this is sized correctly. Where can we put this, though, where it doesn't look stupid?
Or actually, I guess you could put it right beside you.
I know. I gotta get your little logo out here too. Make it all.
We're gonna say, let me see if I can send you mine.
Ooh. Speaking about that African trip, we got a little African music going on. All right, how do we save this? Oh, download. And look at you, Cowboy, knowing what you're doing. Well, Mindy knowing what she's doing. Probably a mixture of you guys knowing what you're doing, but sending me the background list version. What a pro move.
Right? Yeah, I mean, she's really created an animal. I mean,
yeah.
She gets tired of me just staring at my computer now at night, but between trying to build everything, get everything going, and she set me up with, well, they have to use a different AI now at work, so she had to take her other ones off her work computer, so she put them on mine, and I'm like, oh, this is way too cool. I can just plug stuff in here, you know, the Pro Premiere Chat GPT and stuff, and then all her little music deals. And then we have one now that's like a studio designer, so you can put anything in there, and you can take the backgrounds out.
Yeah.
You can make an image move. You can do an image generator. It'll vectorize it. It'll upscale it to make it bigger logo.
Damn.
Put it like on a beach towel.
It's just super easy. So you're just burning through a computer.
Oh yeah. Like she has like these little, you know, some of these have like points and stuff, and they reload. But yeah, I mean, I use it up.
Yeah. Damn, where the hell is this? Downloads. Hold on, guys. Hold on, gang. We're almost there.
If you're gonna use that logo, I'll send you the other one.
Hell yeah.
I'll send you mine like that.
Yeah.
That way they match. Be little twinsies.
Twinsies. Oh, now I can't click on it because I have too much stuff on the stinking thing. Hold on, where is it? Logo. There we go. Yeah, where should I put these? I don't know if I should put them both on our screens.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you could do them in the corners. I'm showing you like you're watching me, but
Yeah.
you could do them like in the corner of your chart, like that bottom right corner.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or you could make us.
Down here, you mean?
Well, I mean, even on your trading screen, or you could make it smaller and put it like in the bottom right of your, like not on your camera, but like
Right.
beside it. It'll be like the bottom left of the trading view chart. Or you could put it in that corner.
Huh.
Put it up there. Yeah, put it right in there maybe. Make it bigger.
What do you think, gang? Where should we put this? Where should we put this baby? This baby. Everybody watching is like, we don't give a shit. We just want you to actually trade.
Yeah. Do y'all even trade?
Can you trade instead? How about you do this on your own time?
I sent you the other one too.
Yep. Yeah, working on it right now, you know.
Well, I sent you the round one.
Oh, you want the round one instead? Yeah, the coin?
It matches yours.
Yeah, that would be better. Yeah, I like the coin better. I mean, not that I like the coin better, but yeah, I like the matching aspect better.
I just got a deal from True Social that talking about Artemis, how they just started beginning fueling it.
Oh, I gotta get dialed into that. Yeah, that looks so cool, man. You did a great job on that. Thanks, Hydro. You guys make some cool stuff. I agree, sir.
Just wait, Hydro. Just wait.
You just wait, he says.
There's Guitar Guy. Do you guys trade?
Do you guys even trade?
That's usually the first thing Zero Dawn says every time he gets on the stream.
That's so funny. Do you guys even trade?
One day I'm going to have enough followers I'll get to ban people when they do that.
Yeah, I guess I like this for right now. I mean, maybe I'd like it better if the... Yeah, now I'm just splitting hairs if I move it over there. Alright, good enough. I have been trading, says Marco. My God, so we've been stuck in a stinking range. Yeah, I think it's time to leave. 10:48, 11:23. Sorry, gang, look at that. We've been just sitting here the whole friggin' time. They're like, just waiting for that nice, juicy trade. And then finally I get done dicking around. I'm like, all right, I'll see you later, guys. I gotta leave. Oh, God. Yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily see anything, except for slowing down a little bit. Eventually, we're going to have a nice little sell-off here. I don't know if I want to jump into a sell-off early, though. Do one more on the way out? One more on the way out?
Get that little itch fixed.
Right? The price action's been choppy, says Marco. Yeah, it's probably a good thing I've just been distracting myself and not trading. Just been catching 10 to 15 points per trade. Ignoring my cons because you know you owe us, Isaiah. Oh! Dave, am I swearing that much? Do you hear me? I think Isaiah's lying. This dude said I basically swore 17 times in the last hour.
You do have a mouth. You've gotten worse.
I've gotten worse?
Yeah. You do.
Oh.
I mean,
I
it's
know.
waves, right? Just like the stock market.
Yeah, exactly. I know, because unfortunately my 8-year-old, he sounds like a sailor half the time. And I'm like, buddy. You know? But the funny thing is it's always like in make sense situations, you know? So it's like, I still yell at him, but literally like in my head, I probably said the same exact word out loud that he then said, you know? It's like, it's just twinning in tandem. And like, I'm like, you can't say that. And I'm like, man, I just said the same dang thing, you know? I'd hate to play back and see if I can catch more than I've caught. Greg is going to buy me an Apex 50K end of day eval. That's so funny.
And you missed it yesterday, man. We had a horse race yesterday live on my channel. We gave away some merch.
Did you really?
Yeah, it
Nuh-uh.
was crazy. I think everybody thought it was so dumb it was fun.
What? What was the horse race?
Oh, everybody that was in the chat that signed up,
Yeah.
we had that little. You know how Nutty Bar and stuff has the little duck race.
No, I've never seen it.
Oh, we did the same thing, but we had the horse race.
Oh.
Jonesy won one of them. He hasn't sent me his address yet, but him and Wall Street Couch won. So I'm sending one out to Los Angeles today. So.
Dang, dude. So is that like a was it a website that you went to and then it just does like
Yeah,
horse
yeah,
racing?
let me-
Yeah, then you bet on that's freaking cool.
Let me pull it up and I'll.
That's what I was talking about
That's
on
pretty cool.
Patrick's stream too. When my buddy and I got into crypto like 3 or 4 years ago, we started buying these electronic crypto horses. It was called Zed Run, ZED Run, and you could buy your horse, you train it, you feed it, then you can eventually race it. And you can bet on your own horse, you can bet on other people's horses, you can like stud your horse and
cool.
everything else. It was kind of wild, man. Shoot, man, I was about to just do that random little short there. 280s. If it comes back up to the 280s, maybe. Otherwise, we are leaving.
We just put a couple names in here, then we'll have a little race.
Oh, are you gonna do a race right now?
Yeah, I'll throw it up on I'll throw it over on the screen, and then
Yeah.
I'll just throw a few of these names in there. This is where all the points are made up. So y'all win absolutely nothing, but y'all get to see it.
Zero down. We'll reclaim March 26th level. Oh God, I honestly don't even want to. Oh, March 26th. Yeah, that's not that far. Hold on. Yeah, so you think Zero Dawn's thinking maybe pop up to the 420, something like that? $336. Did we hit 336 yet? That seems pretty probable.
Yeah, there's Sod. I didn't even see him pop in the chat while ago.
Isaiah, do you need my Cash App or how you want to do this? Man, honestly, that's honestly it is eye-opening. It's pretty darn eye-opening. Just go long and close your eyes, says Charles. Magical 420, says Zero Down. What are we up? We're up 287. 240. Alright, we'll try long. We'll try long right here, guys. I ain't scared. But if it comes down to like 240s, we got to get out. So I'll give it 14 points. I'll give this guy 14 points. Which, yeah, how funny is that? This entire time I'm saying, like, maybe this is the time to go short. I wanted to go short. And then you guys convinced me to go stinking long. Let's see. Here's that 240s. 240s right there. Add one more into it. Actually, we'll add a couple into it. And then if it breaks below 228, that'll be the get out level, I guess. Something like this, 229.
Order filled.
Charles did. Charles said, Greg, just go long. Just close your eyes and go long. You're right, I shouldn't have listened to Charles. Damn it, Charles!
Oh, I thought you shorted that sucker. I was like, dang, you're crushing it.
No, man, I did the wrong move. I know, I've been talking about the shorts this entire friggin' time. We've been stuck here in this choppy to chop range. Oh, well. Oh, well, Charles.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Well, we can't lose. Don't stop them all out, though. Damn, I was hoping. Actually, I stopped those way too fast. That was frustrating, man. I got way too trigger happy on that. I meant to like get stopped out of 2 and ride 3, and instead I got out of like everything.
Isaiah, do you trade on Ninja? In 38 bucks.
All right, stopped out. Hey, ended up not being a bad trade. We're up 340 on this account now, and we're up 360 on this account. So we're up 700 on the day. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on, sir. Let me, hold on, sir. Hold on. Oh, I can't full screen it. Hold on, I gotta replace the order of this. Order, move to top. All right, gang.
Y'all ready? 45-second race, guys.
Who's gonna win?
The winner gets 5 points.
$5,000.
And they expire when the stream's over.
Let's see it. Come on, Greg. Damn, guitar guy's ripping, dude. Come on, Greg. Big Scotty. I don't even see me on the screen. Where is he? He'll come up. He'll come from the back. Come on, Greg. Come on, Greg.
There's Greg.
No! Oh. Greg stopped out early.
Zero Dawn.
Greg
He's pushing.
Greg got
Zero
stopped out
Dawn.
early.
Zero Dawn. Oh, is he too early?
Hydro.
He was too
Because
early.
we're watching a friggin' horse race, and it's exciting, Jackie. If you were over here, you'd be shouting too. Look at beside. I'm in third right now. Ah!
Oh.
Oh my God! I'm gonna go to the track now, bud. You got me too excited. We're not doing futures anymore. We're just doing horse races. Dude, that's a lot of fun, man. That's a lot of fun. I like that. Zero Dawn, I'm about to put that horse down.
Oh, you did the same thing yesterday, Zero Dawn. You just launched it a little too early.
Yeah, just a little too excited. A little too excited. That was fun to watch. Who needs to pay for the whole seat when you only need the edge? That's such a that's a good saying. I like that one. All right, gang. Having a heck of a lot of fun, but I got to get going. It's time to put the flooring on this trailer. Trying to put together the quote for the flooring, but she sent me the wrong floor plan, so I have to find it myself. Trying to put together the quote for the flooring, but she sent me the wrong floor plan. Yep, perfect. Sounds good, gang. Y'all did me wrong with that horse. Oh no, Isaiah said he got a. What is it called? What is a bad horse? I was gonna say. I don't even want to say it. The saying is a derogatory saying. I think it's not the correct saying, so it's not the correct saying. So we're not gonna say it. But a bad horse, a lemon horse. He got stuck with a lemon horse. All right, we will settle it out. $38, but I'll take a simple
bum
Apex.
horse, a lame horse.
That horse cost me money. A bum horse. Yeah, I got a bum horse.
Yes.
You want to go to the playground? Oh, okay.
That's what was happening yesterday. We did 2 races yesterday for some merch, and why everybody was and we waited. I waited till like the market was almost dead.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it started pumping, and I was like I didn't know if I could pause the race, to pull the chart back up or.
Yo, that's funny, man. Actually, could you imagine at the end of the race, you're like, "Oh, by the way, guys, sorry, but I just took a huge trade, made 150 points on it."
Yeah.
That's too funny, man. All right, gang, I gotta get going so I can finish this stinking trailer. But I love y'all to death. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. If you haven't yet, please take some time to like and subscribe. Especially if you had some fun with us today. Even if you didn't have fun with us today, do it anyways. And yeah, man, we're trying to get this in the right direction. And also, as always, please go over to The Trading Cowboy and like and subscribe as well, so you can join in on his next horse race and win you a t-shirt.
Yep, that's right.
Hell yeah. All right, gang, pop
Let's
on
go.
over to him. Otherwise, we'll see you again bright and early 9:25. Stay green. Love you to death. We'll see you again soon.
Giddy up.